you. So in this second lesson, we're going to talk about secondary succession. So it is a bit different than primary succession. In the first lesson of this week, we learned that primary succession actually starts with bare rock, and pioneer species like lichen have to come in and break down that rock to make soil. But in secondary succession, there is already soil there in the area, so nothing really has to be broken down and made into soil. It's already there. The two examples I have is like a forest fire or a flood that kind of wipes out a forest area. So anytime any of these two things could happen, that is when you see secondary succession actually occur. So after, let's say, a forest fire breaks out, it's just ashes and it's like really bad. The good thing is though that the soil is still left there, and then it gives the process of ecological succession to kind of go a little faster because there's no need of breaking down rocks. And the pioneer species are a lot different. Instead of moss and lichen, it's more like grass and smaller plants. So seeds of these plants will come in either by wind or by animals and drop into the soil and just start growing. And then from there, it kind of just follows any kind of ecological succession from grass to bushes and shrubs, and then trees start to come along, and then we have all the animals too. So that's about it. It's pretty simple and kind of similar. The only big difference is that it is after a catastrophic event, something like a flood or a forest fire, rather than just bare rock that was there and broken down. It's really interesting because honestly, forest fires can be super helpful, even though it doesn't seem like they're good. Sometimes forest fires occur naturally, and even though things die and it's really bad, it's really a good brand new start for just that area ecologically.